Hello guys, good morning. Welcome again to my personal vlog. For today's video po, maghahunt ako ng ibon pang ulam gamit ang homemade, sariling gawa ko po, bullpup design with scope. Solo hunting. Bye guys.